Hey, it's been a while. I've been feeling a little stuck lately and haven't had much motivation. But after one big bite of this chicken and onion noodles, I knew I had to share them with you. So let's make them together. Cut the chicken breast or thighs into small pieces and marinate for 10 minutes. Finely chop half an onion and prepare the sauce ahead of time. Slowly cook the onion over medium-low heat until it's deeply golden and fragrant. Be patient and keep an eye on the heat, because burnt onions can turn bitter. While the onions are slowly caramelizing, let's cook the noodles. Any kind of noodles will work. Once they're cooked, drain them well and set them aside. Using the same pan, arrange the marinated chicken in a single layer over medium-low heat. Don't rush to stir. Let one side develop a golden crust before flipping and cooking the other side. Add the caramelized onions back to the pan and stir everything together for a minute. At this point, the chicken will have absorbed all that wonderful onion flavor. Pour in the sauce and let it simmer gently for about 3 minutes. No need to reduce the sauce completely. Leaving it slightly saucy helps it cling beautifully to the noodles. Finish with some chopped green onions and toasted sesame seeds. Add a few drops of sesame oil to the drained noodles. It adds extra aroma and helps keep the noodles from sticking together. Now spoon the onion chicken over the noodles. Give everything a good toss and enjoy every bite. I always make extra onion chicken because it's so versatile. On busy days, I use it for noodles, rice, or even wrap it in tortillas. It's simple, convenient, and incredibly delicious. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.